Have you ever noticed how bright sunlight can make you sneeze? It's a quirky little reflex called photic sneeze reflex. About 18 to 35% of people experience this phenomenon. When you step into the sun, your eyes react to the brightness. This triggers a signal to your brain that can cause sneezing. It's like your body is trying to protect you from the light. So next time you sneeze in the sun, just know you're not alone. It's a funny little quirk of human biology, isn't it? Embrace it, and maybe even enjoy the sunshine a bit more.